That's good stuff. It's pretty early. It's like 5:30 in the morning. Today is the LMR Cruise. Should be pretty awesome. Nate Dogg's upstairs sleeping. He's gonna drive today. We're taking the Tundra. I don't have a Mustang. Well, I do, but you know it's in a million parts. Oh, that's good coffee. What do you think of my coffee? Yeah, I'm on a weird nutritional system. Most people call it a diet. Yeah, it's lots of high fat. That's why I put cream and butter in my coffee. It looks gross. It's delicious. You should try it sometime. Is it early enough for you? Yeah. All right, we're heading out. It's 6 o'clock. We might be late. We're gonna head to the QT, meet everybody else. Nate Dogg came up from Houston. Decided not to bring his Foxbody, but it's all good. It actually worked out better this way because then you can drive and we can do video. If it actually, the sun actually comes up.
It's too early for the sun, Brian.
I see that. Literally, I see that. All right, we made it to QT. Who's this? What's your name, buddy?
Justin 91X.
Michael Haynes.
Michael Haynes.
Hello. Sasha.
Sasha, what's up, man?
What's going
Brian.
on? Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well.
What's up, man? Sasha. Nice to meet you.
And of course, we got Nate Dogg here.
What's up?
Hey, Sasha. Nice to meet you.
There's Ian, it looks like.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
So Justin had to do some clearancing here. The 351's a little taller or something, huh?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, a little taller deck height there.
It's weight reduction.
It's actually weight reduction and a cooling mechanism. It's by design. Justin's an elite engineer, and it was calculated.
Just put a tape measure on work.
With some of the Denton guys. What's up, man?
Morning.
How are you?
Good.
Looks good.
What's up, Nate?
How are you?
I'm Brian. Guy Hemmings.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Sean.
How are you, Sean?
What's up, buddy?
What's the word, Justin?
It's going good.
Yeah?
I wish it stayed this temperature all day long.
I know, right? This is beautiful right now.
It is.
But we all know it's Texas and it will be 100 degrees later.
Yes.
We'll have, you know, swamp ass, and I'll be smelling awesome by 5 o'clock tonight.
Swamp ass. At least you got a truck with AC driving home.
That's true.
I don't.
What's the word, man?
What's up? I'm ready to do this.
Are you
Let's
racing
do this.
today?
No.
Sean, are you racing today?
I don't want to be disappointed.
I don't think they'll let me run the
No
convertible.
burnouts, no dyno
We're
pools,
slow.
nothing?
Maybe
I
dyno.
want to drive. I might do a dyno pool.
Do the dyno pools register that low of a horsepower?
Dyno Hondas, don't they?
Probably.
I'm busting your balls.
Probably be really disappointed.
can see your face now. All right, we are in Ennis, as you can see, probably because it's all washed out, you probably cannot see it. Tried to get all the Fox bodies going at the same time, but well, they all left at the same time from the Walmart, and then the cops showed up. They were not too happy about that. Unless someone blocked the access road, and there was like, I don't know, probably 50 cars, 60 cars left out of there. Probably more than that.
Yeah.
A lot. So it was like Meixsell Mustangs and the Foxbody Club. But I think the cops are onto us, so we're not going to block any more traffic. So now we're just kind of intermingled now with other traffic into Ennis. So there is already a shit ton of Mustangs here. Hope they get us all parked together. All right. More in a minute. Kind of interesting that we've got 2 rows of Fox bodies and there's a whole bunch of rows of other various newer models, and most of the people are on this row. I guess people like the Fox bodies, huh?
Wait.
What do you think?
If you don't have pants, you can't race.
Oh.
Y'all hear that? Any of y'all planning to race today?
No racing.
Wearing shorts, no.
Here we go, Roderick. You got some good stories on the group?
I had to turn up my hearing aids.
Alright, we're still out here cooking it, the LMR Cruise. We're sitting at the dyno. A couple of Fox bodies are coming up. Let's see what they run. I think estimates are like between 250, 300. We'll see what happens. $630?
$630.
I'm guessing 550. Nate Dog?
More than 530, sure.
Oh, she does know that.
Yeah.
What's it gonna do? 650?
Is this your man right here?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, 650 is the number. Have you beat that before? What was it last time? 615? 615, what's been done? Okay, so prior to E85 it was 615. 650 is the number to beat. What was the torque number? Up there though, I'm sure.
It was up there.
All right.
Sure.
All right, this is the one. 650. $651, they hit their number. What are you gonna run?
I don't know. Maybe
Guess?
260.
260. That's the number. All right, man. Let's see what you got. What's your guess?
Waiting in the heat.
But what are you gonna run?
Oh man, I'd be happy if it ran anywhere near 300.
300's the goal.
Yeah, I'll try to get a baseline, but if I get 260 something, probably about what it is, the trick force set up. But if you can hit them at 300, I'd be tickled pink.
350 torque?
No, 315.
315?
Yeah, it's gonna make a little more torque.
All right, 260, 315. See what you got. All right, we're back from the Ennis trip with LMR. My wife tried to get a dog while I was gone. Didn't work.
Oh, we're going back tomorrow.
We're not getting another dog.
Yep.
We already have like a zoo in here.
Probably because of me.
No. All right, so we didn't get as much video or pictures as we wanted to. We got some, I hope.
Yeah.
But it got just too damn hot, man. Like, we did some dyno stuff. By that point, I was like, we hadn't eaten. Whatever. It was. At this point, we've actually had 2 dinners. Our wives don't know that, but we had wings, and then we met up with them, and they're like, oh, let's just go to dinner and have wings. And
You couldn't say no.
so I'm pretty sure I'm going to have the roto-rooter of my intestines, and my colon will be prolapsed by tomorrow because of all the wings I had.
That's a true statement.
All right, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, and deuces.